Hello everyone. Today we have another episode of this same RAV4 that we fixed the electrical issues due to water ingress in the interior. Now we're gonna show you what happened to the driver's seat after 6 years of use. Not abuse, by the way. Here is the driver's seat, disassembled, in order to get out these parts. So this adjusting mechanism was inside this rail, this seat rail that would slide like so when activated the motor. By the way, look at the size of this little motor. Here's my finger, here's the motor. Really not that great. So what happened here is the plastic gear just chewed itself up and is no longer able to spin this. It's just slipping. That's why the seat is tilting. When you try to move it forward and back, it's just tilting. So the quality of this vehicle leaves begging for the better, but unfortunately, it's not going to happen. They're just gonna keep making it worse and worse. We pulled out this gear. Here's how it looks like. It's completely chewed up in the center there. And it's very plastic and very, very poor quality. And this piece is a shaft that was turning that gear. Not sure if it's visible, but it's not straight. It's a little bit bent. Maybe here you can see on the end when I spin it, it's a little bent. And normally you would think the shaft is a solid piece of rod. Not in this case. This is a tube. Can you imagine? This is a tube. They use the tube. I don't know for what, for reducing weight, reducing material cost, but it's basically no stronger than a drinking straw. Super weak. The Toyota quality has gone down significantly in the last 10 years or so. Now it's almost making more sense to buy a Korean vehicle like a Hyundai or Kia or whatever. It's at least a lot cheaper. It's also very low quality, but it's much cheaper than this. So unfortunately, we had to put this whole thing back in because the whole gear, this gear that failed, comes with the whole seat rail right here. This whole seat rail, the assembly, is only sold all together, complete. So we're gonna have to probably get that, but that's available in about a week. Can't have the car standing for that long. Customer wants to drive it, so we put it all back without the possibility of adjustment for now. And we'll be either getting a used seat assembly or that seat mount, seat rails. There's also a problem that it costs $1,000 to buy it from the dealer. Customer found some leather seats from a hybrid. He upgraded the seats and fixed the problem. One shot. Congratulations. But this is very temporary because that gear is gonna fail too at some point. So we will probably see this car soon. Thanks for watching the video. Have a lovely day and just stay away from poor quality vehicles.